Hello students, welcome back to the class Carboxylic acids. In the previous class, we discussed about the acidic character of carboxylic acids. So there we have taken the examples of aliphatic carboxylic acids. In this class, we'll discuss about acidic character of aromatic carboxylic acids. So in the aromatic carboxylic acids, for example, benzoic acid. So we'll take a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, it dissociates. So C double bond O, OH. So oxygen contains a pair of electron. Benzoic acid dissociates to give benzoate ion. C double bond O, single bond O minus plus H plus. So benzoic acid gives benzoate ions. C6H5COOH is benzoic acid. C6H5COO minus plus H plus. This carboxylate ion, that is benzoate ion, is stabilized to a greater extent than this carboxylic acid. Hence, it exhibits acidic character. This benzoate ion is resonance stabilized. This is more resonance stabilized than this benzoic acid. So, how the resonance structures for this ion can be written? C double bond O, O minus. The resonance structure for this is C single bond O minus double bond O. That is, the electrons, these electrons, negative charge is given to the adjacent bond, and the pi bond electrons from this are given to oxygen. So these two resonance structures we can get. So hybrid of these structures can be written as CO. This is also oxygen. Both the oxygen simultaneously contains a slight negative charge, and there is a partial double bond between both the oxygen carbon oxygen bond. So thus the aromatic carboxylic acids have high acidic strength compared to aliphatic carboxylic acids. In aromatic carboxylic acids, the carboxyl group, this carboxyl group attached to benzene, so this carbon, that is sp2 carbon. Okay, in aromatic carboxylic acid, the COH group is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon, whereas in aliphatic carboxylic acids, for example CH3COOH, this carboxyl group is attached to the carbon. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. So here hybridization of the carbon to which the carboxylic group is attached, that is also important. The phenyl group or the benzene ring stabilizes the carboxylate ion more effectively compared to alkyl group because it contains sp2 carbon. So thus the aromatic carboxylic acids are more acidic than aliphatic carboxylic acids. Let us see effect of substituents on the acid strength of benzoic acid. Okay, effect of substituents. So again there are two types of these substituents. There are two types of these substituents. one is electron releasing, another one is electron withdrawing. So if the substituents which helps for the easy release of this H plus ions from this carboxyl group and stabilizes the carboxylate ion, they will increase the acidity of carboxylic acid. If the substituents present on the benzene ring which destabilizes this carboxylate ion and makes it difficult that release of H plus, they will decreases the acidity of carboxylic acids. So we'll first see electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups. So if electron withdrawing groups are present as substituents to benzene group, electron withdrawing group like nitro group NO2, Cl, sulfide, sulfonic acid group Cn, that is cyanide group, these increases the acidic strength as these groups delocalize the negative charge which is formed on the oxygen of carboxylate ion and stabilizes the carboxylate ion. How these will increases the acidity means, if this is the structure COH double bond oxygen, okay, this is the benzoic acid and here the nitro group is present. This nitro group is electron withdrawing group. It withdraws electron from this benzene ring, so that now the benzene ring is electron deficient. It withdraws electron from this carbonyl carbon. Now this carbonyl carbon withdraws electron from the oxygen, so that oxygen becomes electron deficient. It can easily takes the pair of electrons of OH bond. So thus H plus is released easily. Okay. The nitro group present is electron withdrawing group. It withdraws electron from the benzene ring, so that benzene ring becomes electron deficient. It takes the electron from this carbonyl carbon, so that oxygen becomes electron deficient, or electron density on the oxygen decreases. It distributes easily the electrons of OH bond, so that H plus can be released easily. So thus electron withdrawing groups, they will involved in the delocalization of negative charge which is formed on the oxygen. That is, this negative charge which is formed on the oxygen, that is delocalized. So it can pass through the benzene ring to the groups attached here. And also they will make easy release of this H plus ion. Thus, the acidity of carboxylic acids increases. Thus, this para-nitrocarboxylic acid, this is more acidic than the benzoic acid. So, in the benzoic acid, there is no any such groups are present here to delocalize the negative charge formed on this carboxylate ion. So that's why para-nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than this benzoic acid. Thus, order of acidic strength of some substituted carboxylic acid. So in that, the nitro group is more acidic, COOH, NO2, para-nitrobenzoic acid. This is more acidic than para chlorobenzoic acid, COH, Cl. This is more acidic than the benzoic acid. So the pKa values of para-nitrobenzoic acid is 3.41. As of this, para-chlorobenzoic acid is 3.98 and the benzoic acid is 4.19. So as the pKa value increases, the acidic strength go on decreasing. So here para-nitrobenzoic acid having more acidic strength. Some electron releasing groups are present. Okay, this is electron withdrawing groups. So suppose electron releasing groups are present, then what is the acidic strength? The electron releasing groups like electron releasing groups, they will decrease the acidic strength of carboxylic acids. The electron releasing groups are like the methyl group, methoxy group, hydroxyl group, etc. These are electron releasing groups. So these decreases the acidic strength of benzoic acid by increasing electron density on carboxylate ion. That is, so this is the carboxylate ion, benzoic acid. Suppose a methyl group is present on the benzoic acid. So on dissociation, it forms the carboxylate ion, that is COO minus plus H plus methyl group. So if the negative charge formed on this carboxylate ion is distributed by the benzene ring, then this ion is stabilized. But the presence of methyl group here, it releases electron towards the benzene ring. So benzene ring is now electron, the negative charge on the benzene ring increases, or electron density on the benzene ring increases. So it donates that electron towards the carbon of carboxyl group. Thus, this ion becomes destabilized. Therefore, release of H plus becomes difficult. So that's why the electron releasing groups are present, the acidity of carboxylic acids decreases. So this order of acidity of some groups, electron releasing groups present in the benzoic acid, will example para-methyl benzoic acid, or it is also called para-toluic acid. This is somewhat more acidic than this methoxy benzoic acid, para-methoxy benzoic acid. So here this is electron releasing, this is also electron releasing group. This is more acidic than this para-hydroxy benzoic acid. So the pKa value is here 4.38, 4.46 and this is 4.58. So if the electron releasing groups are present, they releases electron towards this benzene ring, so that totally the electrons are released towards the carboxyl group. That's why the carboxylate ion forms destabilized. So the acidic strength of this carboxylic acid decreases. Comparison of acid strength of the isomers. Suppose the same group containing isomers but ortho, para and meta isomers. For example, orthonitrobenzoic acid, para-nitrobenzoic acid, and meta-nitrobenzoic acid. So among that, the nitro group present in the nitrobenzoic acid, it shows it is a powerful electron withdrawing. This is powerful electron withdrawing group in nature. It increases the acidic strength of carboxylic acids through minus R, that is negative resonance effect and negative inductive effect. Both the effects are observed here. So among that, the orthonitrobenzoic acid, this is more acidic. That is due to ortho effect. Ortho effect. So as the group is present at the ortho position, so it forms the hydrogen bonds with the hydrogen of this carboxyl group. So this is called ortho effect. And due to this ortho effect, the acidic nature of orthonitrobenzoic acid is more. Orthonitrobenzoic acid. This is more acidic than the para-nitrobenzoic acid because here at ortho and para position, the nitro group is present, that is directly involved in the electron delocalization. For example, I will write here the structures, that is to show this minus R effect. C double bond O, O minus, and here for example the nitro group is here in O2 group. So these electrons are given here. So these electrons are taken by this nitro group so that this carbon is electron deficient. It can easily takes this electrons from the carbon. So if it is present at the para position also, then the electrons can be given to this nitro group. But if it is present at the meta position, so here it can't take electrons directly. So that we can write here COH. So I will show just here minus R effect in NO2 group. So this NO2 group will take these electrons so that the resonance structure for this can be written as COOH double bond nitrogen double bond coordinate bond, or here double bond is formed, so this is negative and these two are the other two bonds. Now the electrons are again given here. These electrons are given to this, so the electrons are given to para position. So next we can write here COOH NO2 double bond is here, so negative charge. So like this we can write the resonance structures for this. So if there is a negative charge is formed on the oxygen while delocalization, the nitro group is directly involved. So nitro group takes these electrons so that the charge can be distributed easily to the benzene ring. So thus, if the nitro group is present at ortho position or at the para position, then delocalization becomes easy. So the acidic strength of the benzoic acid is increases. So next one is the meta. So here meta, it doesn't show any minus R effect, but it can shows only the minus I effect, so that the acidic strength of metanitrobenzoic acid is less. So orthonitrobenzoic acid pKa value is 2.17, paranitro is 3.41, and metanitro is 3.45. So as the pKa value increases, acidic strength go on decreasing. So this is the comparison of acid strength of the isomers of ortho, para and meta. The next different comparison of ortho, para and meta of the groups which are having electron releasing group, that will be discussed in the next class. Thank you, students.